Fusang Wudang Tianzun, my dear Dao friends. I'm Daoist Liu from the Yuan, Germany. In this episode of Discover Daoism, you're gonna learn how to make the Yuan. Yuan is a little paper folded, little shape of the gold pieces, the ancient gold pieces, and we use this for offering during the Daoist rituals. Yeah, and we learn how to fold this after the intro. Okay, so today we're gonna make some of those Yuan. Yuan is for offering to deities, and we just use a sheet of paper. It's like A6 size. If you don't know the sizes, you could look it up. Very simple. Fold in the middle, and then fold one more time. Now we can fold this part to the half, to this line in the middle, and then open it, turn it around. You see this is like a Z kind of shape, and just make this line straight. So okay, then we fold the corners here, all four. Flip it over like this, straighten it out a little bit, could be more nicer, but it's alright. So now we open inside, you see inside, pop it up like this, and there we have one of our self-made Yuan. So we do usually use yellow paper or golden colored paper. I just take one sheet of yellow paper and A4 size, standard size, and cut it in 4 pieces. So we can just use one sheet of A4 size for 4 Yuan. Very simple. You just fold it in the middle, fold it another time, open it up, turn it around, and just fold it again, and then you just close the corners here. It's very simple. Simple technique. There's of course different types of Yuan, how to fold them. And this is how we do it here, and of course there's many good kinds, but this one is easy to learn, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Discover Daoism. And if you like our channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you want to learn more about Daoism, Daoist culture and practices, you're welcome to visit our website. And you find the link in the description. I'm Daoist Liu from the Yuan, Germany. Fusang Wudang Tianzun.